Today we're going to review the Me Wow interactive cat toy. I already opened it. Included in the package was the directions on how to operate it. Just basically telling you how to put the batteries in. Munch! Munch! And my cat already walked off. So I even got it out. Munch! So I changed it on. I got my other cat here. She's more interested in the plastic. Munch is confused. Munch! Phoebe is chewing the plastic. Phoebe has never room for toys, really. Munch, on the other hand, usually likes playing with toys. There we go. And she's not quite what to make sure out of it. What to make out of it. Definitely interested in it. You can see the red light flashing on it. She'll chase it. What do you think, Munch? Is this a good toy? The cat. There she is. So it keeps the cat entertained. She's not attacking it. And there we have the dog. Dog doesn't seem to care. Hello. You like that toy? No. Well, this video game mode. Toy works fine. I don't know if it's the time of night. It's a little late here for the cats. It's about 8:30. But toy works fine for itself. Has the light. The light's slightly more if I shut the light, see it better. So you can see that it does glow. And there you go. The cat's memorized by it seems, but it's not quite going for it. I don't know, maybe it's a little too large, but, oh, there she goes. Oh no, she didn't attack it. Going after her though. But, toy operates with a simple on-off switch. It's off. And that's it. So, here you go, you get to see it in use for my lazy cats. And I like it. It works as advertised. I'll try it again sometime when my cats are more awake. And you can draw your own conclusions. Alright, have a good one.